This is the Nokia 800 Tough. It runs on KaiOS. It comes with modern features and a simple UI. Like all phones, it comes with pre-installed apps that cannot be removed. So I'm going to show you how you can remove them. There's three software that you'll need. They are listed in the description. The first one is ADB from Android. The link will download it immediately. The next is Pale Moon, a web browser like Firefox with a built-in tool called Web IDE that we need for this process. Lastly is ADB Root, which will be sideloaded onto the phone. This is available from Banana Hackers website. The Banana Hackers are a great resource for customizing KaiOS phones, and this video is an adaptation of their tutorials. When they are downloaded, we can extract all three. ADB will take the longest. Pale Moon just needs to double click to start the extraction. Finally, with ADB Root, after you have extracted it, you want to go inside the folder and then extract the application zip that's in there. None of these require any further install. Starting with ADB, navigate inside the folder, then inside the next folder. Here, copy the file path. Open a command line and navigate to the file path. That is CD followed by the path. Here you can search for the phone. Connect your phone to the computer and enter ADB devices. After a second to start the daemon, the phone isn't listed. This is because we need to enable debugging. On the phone, dial *#*33284 #*#*. These numbers spell debug. When you type ADB devices again, the phone is listed. Now that the phone is visible, we can open a Web IDE. Open the Pale Moon folder. In here, open the palemoon portable.exe. Then go to the Tools menu, Web Developer, and Web IDE. To make the phone easy to find, paste in the first line from the description. This makes it available on port 6000. Back in Web IDE, clicking Remote Runtime and OK on localhost 6000. The build date warning here is not a concern and you can ignore it. Here where it says Remote Runtime is a sign that things have worked. Now we can sideload our last download, ADB Root, onto our phone. Click Open Packaged App and find the ADB Root folder in there. Select the folder application. It should show up like this. Now click Run to load it onto the phone. On your phone, click OK for Enter, then OK again to enable root. Now you have temp root access and can access the phone's internal working files. We want to make changes to one of these files, so we need to pull it from the phone onto our computer. Back on the command line, ensure you are in the right location. Now paste in or type out these 4 lines. They are available in the description. ADB shell to access the phone. Then this line will move the webapps.json file to the SD where we can access it. Exit to close down the shell. Then this line to pull the file onto our computer. By default, the file will be moved to the ADB folder because that is where we are located in the command line. In here we can open it with a text editor. I will search for YouTube. This object refers to the YouTube app installed on my phone. Where it says removable, I change that from false to true. Do this for each app you want to uninstall. Now save it and let's get it back onto the phone. For safety, we will back up the file before replacing it with our new one. Paste in this line to push the file back onto the phone in the temp folder. Now open the shell again and paste in these lines to navigate to the web apps folder. Make a backup and replace the existing file. Then reboot the phone. When the phone starts up again, you can go to the apps menu. I'll do this for YouTube. And when you hit the options button, the option to uninstall is now there. You can do this for all the apps you don't want. So just one more step for neatness, I'll show you how to uninstall the software because you don't need it anymore. Close the Pale Moon, Web IDE and command line. Now you can easily delete most of the files. The one issue is that the ADB daemon is still running. Simply close this in the task manager and you can hit try again. Simple as that. So there you have it. You can now remove those pesky apps off your KaiOS devices. If you like this, leave a like down below. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. And thanks for watching.